Okay, the wheel is now completely free of the bolts. As you can see, they're completely loose, completely off. As you requested, here are the wires. The wheel is completely disconnected from anything else. Here are all the wires that connect to the wheel. They're all separated. The wheel is not connected to anything. Here are the wires inside. Those all look fine. So they're not touching, yet if I try to spin the wheel, there's still a lot of resistance. And this happens when I'm riding the bike too. Like the wheel does not want to spin. So the battery, nothing is connected right now. This is completely disconnected. And you can kind of hear a gravel noise inside the wheel. It almost sounds like something is moving around. So again, if I go back here and I move this, my old wheel, that goes forever. It's free moving. But the other one is stuck. There's a lot of resistance for some reason. See, it immediately stops. And the other one is still kind of can move quite a while. So it almost sounds like something is loose inside the hub and it's scratching on the inside. I'll try a new battery too. I've got one on order.